To effectively utilize Authorize Net webhooks, it is essential to understand the concept and its application in payment processing. Authorize Net webhooks allow merchants to receive real-time notifications of specific events such as transactions and customer information updates. First step is to create a webhook endpoint on your server. This will be the URL that Authorize Net will send notifications to. Ensure the endpoint is secure using HTTPS and can handle JSON payloads. Next, register your webhook endpoint with Authorize Net through the merchant interface or API. You will need to provide the URL of your endpoint and specify the events you want to receive notifications for. Once registered, Authorize Net will send a verification request to your endpoint to confirm it is working correctly. Your endpoint must respond with a success code to complete the verification process. After verification, your endpoint will start receiving notifications for the specified events. These notifications will be in JSON format and contain relevant information about the event, such as transaction details or customer updates. To handle these notifications, your endpoint should parse the JSON payload and perform the necessary actions. For example, if you receive a notification of a successful transaction, you may want to update your database or send a confirmation email to the customer. Best practice is to validate the authenticity of the notification by checking the signature in the header of the request. This ensures the notification came from Authorize Net and not a malicious source. Another best practice is to implement idempotence in your endpoint to handle duplicate notifications. This means your endpoint should be able to handle the same notification multiple times without causing errors or inconsistencies. In conclusion, using Authorize Net webhooks effectively requires creating a secure webhook endpoint, registering it with Authorize Net, and handling notifications in a reliable and secure manner. By following these steps and best practices, you can leverage the power of webhooks to streamline your payment processing and improve your overall customer experience.